It's time to turn your house into a tech wonderland. Whether you want to keep an eye on your home while away or add some cool ambiance while gaming, these devices are designed to help you stay in control of your home no matter where you are. Oh, and there's something truly insane for those who can barely boil water. Ditch the hassle of finding time to keep your wardrobe spick and span. Let the LG Closet be your personal stylist. With its steam cleaning prowess, it's like a magic wand that removes odors and germs with a wave. This dresser is also perfect for drying. And why is it twerking with that hanger? Well, this way it shakes the small wrinkles and odors off your clothes. There's even a pants press to add a neat, precise crease to your trousers. Just set all the adjustments on the touchscreen. Rise and shine, Sleeping Beauty. Time to wake up and join the world of the living. Allow me to introduce you to Nature X, the smart desk controller that doubles as your personal assistant. Don't let its small size fool you. This little gem is the latest and greatest model for CES 2023. Don't look there, that's just a model. With a few buttons, a knob, and a touchscreen, you'll be able to control every aspect of your life with ease. Not only will it wake you up and control the lights, but it'll also open your garage door, remind you to buy groceries, give you the weather forecast, and even start your car. With the touch of a button, you can activate one of its smart scenarios like leaving, home, and sleep. And if that's not enough, you can even control all your other smart devices with a single click, even if it's Tesla. There are thousands of kinds of tea, and every one has its own characteristics and requires special care to fully extract its flavors. That's what Smart Teapot does. It brews every tea at the right temperature and for the right amount of time. And now watch the magic happen. The moment you press the button, the Smart Teapot scans your mood and energy level, and then it brews the tea according to your state. Say goodbye to mediocre takeout and hello to gourmet meals made by your very own robot chef. Moly Robotic Kitchen is the ultimate solution for anyone who hates cooking but is tired of bland delivery food. Simply tap the touchscreen a few times, whether it's the main display or on your mobile device, and watch as Moly frees up your day from the monotony of cooking and customizes your menu to fit your diet and lifestyle. This kitchen wonder not only cooks complete meals, but it also keeps track of ingredients, suggests dishes based on what you have in stock, and even learns your personal preferences. Plus, Moly takes care of the cleanup, so you can sit back and enjoy your delicious meal. Want the robot to learn a new recipe? Just cook the dish right in front of Moly and voila! You can order all the ingredients you need delivered straight to your door in bespoke Moly containers, or choose fresh ingredients and prepare them for the robot yourself. Since that robotic kitchen will definitely cost me an arm and a leg, maybe I should start saving some more money. This Aquara Smart thermostat will help me to reduce the electricity bills. It works with most radiator valves and is compatible with a wide range of ecosystems and voice assistants. That's important. This thing requires a hub and a couple of temperature and humidity sensors. With its easy-to-use app, you can customize the temperature to your liking and save energy by turning off the heating when doors or windows are open or there's no motion detected. Plus, set schedules for day and night or use geofencing to heat your home before you arrive. The thermostat even syncs multiple radiators in one room for maximum efficiency. So why settle for a chilly home when you can enjoy a warm, energy-saving abode with the Aquara Smart Radiator Thermostat? How long will it take you to turn your living room into the ultimate party space? You just need to open the drawer of the Sobro table. Jokes aside, this piece of furniture features a refrigerator drawer to store and chill your beverages. In addition, there's also a built-in LED lighting on the underside to get the party started. Wait a minute, where's the music? Connect to the table from your phone or your TV via Bluetooth. See those touch buttons? Use them to pick the show you're going to watch, customize the LED lights, and the drawer temperature. Additionally, the Sobro table comes with 2 USB ports as well as 2 stand outlets. You can recharge any of your devices right in front of you. Finally, below the tempered glass top, there are a couple of storage drawers to keep your space tidy. Are you still turning the light on manually? Doing that with a bunch of bags in both hands must be pretty inconvenient, right? Well, maybe it's time to replace the ordinary light switches with this smart dimmer switch. So first you can set the schedule so it could turn the lights on and off automatically. Is your partner still sleeping? Don't forget to put the room back into twilight so he or she could watch their final dream before waking up. You can also do that with the voice command or using the app if you want. What's cool, the switch may also double as an intercom when you want everybody to come down for dinner. Spending too much time sitting in front of your desktop either gaming or working? You need a proper light for those purposes. Yes Lamp is a solid choice here. It features 4 dynamic RGB light modes that dance to the beat of the music thanks to a sound sensor. Need to work? Use the white light and don't forget to adjust the brightness. With a color rendering index of 96 or higher, the lighting is close to natural light so it won't strain your eyes. Your mobile device is about to die? Charge it with a built-in wireless charging pad and a Type-C port. And when you're ready to pack up and go, the lamp's compact foldable design makes it easy to carry and won't take up valuable desk space. Here's another option from Yeelight. As you see, this cube lamp is modular and it can be fully customized to your surroundings. Don't you like the preset patterns? Build your own ones in the app. No problem. When those lights don't dance to the music beats, the lamp may double as a watch. It's time to upgrade your windows with smart blinds. My Smart Blinds is an affordable and easy solution to turn your ordinary window shades into smart ones. The installation is as easy as ABC. Voila! You can control blinds from your smartphone now. Set daily and weekly schedules and watch as My Smart Blinds helps regulate the temperature inside your house and optimize your energy savings. Or just ask to close the curtains if you want to nap a little. The device is solar powered so your battery never runs low. And if the neighbor decides to throw a party, you don't have to look at it. Your kitchen is the heart of your home, especially when you have the Samsung Family Hub Smart Refrigerator. This high-tech kitchen gadget lets you look inside your fridge from your phone or with the big display on the door, orders groceries, finds recipes, and does so much more. In fact, the fridge comes with an upgraded SmartThings widget to control your smart home devices from one place. You'll love all the preloaded features, making it easier to manage your busy household. It even lets you see who's at the door and monitor other rooms. Best of all, you can add items to your grocery list with your voice and get laundry and dishwasher notifications. Not to mention, you can ask the fridge to play music or turn on the video recipe on YouTube or just a football match. Who would have thought one day a hub for a whole house would also function as a fridge? Meet the sleek and stylish new addition to your front door, the smart lock that's about to revolutionize the way you secure your home. It looks more like a hub or smartwatch though. Never mind. So its main pro is that it opens and closes your door in a flash. No more waiting for those sluggish smart locks. This one knows the importance of security and speed. Unlock your door with ease using the password, fingerprint, or have it automatically open when it senses your phone nearby. And for those times when you're home alone, the Plus Lock feature provides added peace of mind. With a range of options from the same manufacturer, it's time to upgrade your security game and stay safe in style. That's your third ear. This smart home monitor will alert you for any sounds that you can't hear when you're away, asleep, or simply busy. What you need is to install those so-called sensors everywhere you need, in the hall, in the kitchen, in the kids' room, and so on, and pair them with the app. When one of the sensors detects a cry or a door knock or even a smoke detector alarm, you'll get an instant notification on your mobile device. The sound library's ever-growing, so you'll be aware of everything that happens in and out of your house. Smarten up your house without breaking the bank? Look no further than smart plugs. With just these little guys, you can boss around all your small appliances, electronics, heaters, fans, and more. Take control of them anywhere, whether you're sitting on the couch or on the go. Schedule and automation options make sure your gadgets are always in check, even considering the time of day and weather. Pro tip, did you know some gadgets still suck power even when they're not in use? Stop that energy leak by turning off the outlets when not needed. Voila! You've got a smart home without spending a fortune. Here's a small and quite simple device that's designed to solve a huge problem. House fires are usually caused by our own recklessness. Someone leaves the stove on and the consequences may be terrible. This device can be attached to any gas or electric stove in order to provide you with remote access to it. With the mobile app, you can also check whether your stove is on and turn it off immediately. Moreover, you can easily adjust the temperature from another room so your food won't get overcooked. Those little things can sometimes make our lives much more comfortable and safe. The latest and greatest, the 5th Gen Echo Dot is here. Don't let its familiar look fool you. It's packing a punch with double bass and improved audio quality. Tap to control media and calls with the accelerometer, and keep tabs on the room temperature with the temperature sensor. Use Alexa to automate your life with ease, like turning on the AC when it gets too hot. And drumroll please, it's also a Wi-Fi extender with built-in Eero. It's the ultimate smart speaker, tech wizard, and personal DJ all rolled into one compact package. Say goodbye to manual floor cleaning with the iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus. With its 2-in-1 retractable design, it can cinch your carpets and retract to the top. But the real magic happens when it vacuums and mops at the same time, effortlessly avoiding obstacles and hazards. But you can also set no-go zones either in the app or with your voice. This smart robot is powered by iRobot OS and packs a powerful punch with its suction. The fully hands-free operation lifts the mop pad away to prevent wet messes, and the 4-stage cleaning system, edge sweeping brush, dual rubber brushes, power lifting suction, and mopping will leave your floors spotless. But what's the best part? It cleans the dustbin on its own. Get ready for the ultimate kitchen upgrade with this smart air fryer disguised as a toaster oven. With 11 presets, you can cook up anything your heart desires. Craving something crispy? Air fry it. Feeding a horde of hungry mouths? Grill that chicken. You can control it all from the palm of your hand with the app, or just ask Alexa to do the work for you. And don't worry about missing out on any essentials. This smart oven comes with a bevy of accessories to help you cook up a storm. Easy peasy. The TP-Link Casa-Cam is your home's new guardian. With a 130-degree wide-angle lens, night vision up to 25 feet, and two-way audio, you'll never miss a thing. Control the cam with an app or Amazon Alexa and live stream footage from your smartphone, tablet, or computer. The Casa-Cam also alerts you when it detects activity in specific zones and starts recording whenever it senses motion or sound. Clips are securely stored in the cloud with AES 128 encryption. Here's another cam for your backyard. Arlo Pro 3 Floodlight works mostly the same, providing you with sharp pick and saving all the videos. What's cool? This cam is actually wireless, and an ambient light sensor will ensure the cam adjusts the floodlight strength based on the ambient light availability. And yeah, the two-way audio will easily ward off would-be intruders.